Hello, this is a quick update on the Camaro as we are almost 100,000 miles, and this is a quick review of everything that's broken on the car in those first 100,000 miles. Now, this falls into two categories. First one is things that are broken that I've since fixed, and the other category is things that are broken that haven't been fixed. So to start off, we're at the back of the car. These little spoiler end pieces are dealer installed. And so what ends up happening is that if the dealer technicians didn't install them in the right angle, because it's just kind of trim tape holding it on, they can fall off pretty quickly. So I put this one back on at about 30,000 miles, and then this one was installed just a little better, and I put this back on last week. So that's it for things at the back of the car. At the front, this little side marker light fell off when I went over a particularly difficult bump on a trail. That was the only off-road damage it's taken so far. And now onto the things that I haven't fixed. I should turn these lights on to show you. Lights, Camaro, action. The big swooshes of the running lights. Usually those are supposed to power on, but lately they don't. This started having sections go out at about 50,000 miles, and as of right now, only this inside swoosh on the driver's side seems to be working. I haven't fixed these yet because the control board that manages the running lights themselves is on the bottom edge of the headlight, and it requires removing the bumper to get to it, which I'm just not interested in doing that right now for something that's not critical to driving the car. Finally, the only other thing that's broken is this section of the splitter. What happened there wasn't going off-road, it was a little more embarrassing than that. Despite my best efforts, that front splitter has proven very resilient to impacts off-road, and it took this pretty much full-on hit of a curb for it to actually get chipped and broken. Props to Chevy for building a really skid plate of a front splitter in the track package for this car. It's just a great overall level of resilience for the way that this car has been driven. So that is it for things that have gone wrong with the car within those first 100,000 miles. And we're heading to Rallycross tomorrow for yet another event. It's probably going to turn 100 during the actual racing portion of it, so that'll be super exciting, and we're just going to see how it goes. Hope that nothing breaks between now and the end of the weekend, but overall that's it for everything that's broken in the first 100,000 miles. This has been a fantastically reliable car, no engine issues, no powertrain issues. On to the next 100,000 miles. I'll be in the comments if you have any other questions about the experience of driving this thing for the past 100,000 miles.